Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in to see what I have for you today. Today I have a very heavy box, and this is from AIA Beauty Bundle, and this is the American Influencer Awards Beauty Bundle. And this is very heavy. I would love to know how much this weighs. I don't know if it says it on here, but this box is heavy. I'm sure in here it does somewhere say the pounds. This comes from FedEx, so I'm sure the pounds are here. But that's definitely a few pounds. So we're just going to open the top here. And you don't really get too much of a peek. You know, their card and what's inside. Be strong, be beautiful, be you. This box smells phenomenal. Ooh. And this is from Manuela. I'm not sure how you say that. Manuela Bosa or Basa. And this is Truss Professionals. This is all hair care. It does give you a list of the items with prices. But before we get into the actual products, a little bit about the AIA Beauty Bundle. I'm just going to read from my card because I can never remember all of this information, which you think I would. I got everything else in my head. This is $34 bi-monthly. It is free U.S. shipping. And the Beauty Bundle box gives you access to influencer brands and products. And each box that they do is one brand. Whether it's Mana Kadar, Guy Tang, now this. We've had, who was the influencer that we just did the last time? Lola, I think. Can't even remember half of them. Each bundle features a new influencer. There's 5 to 6 full-size beauty products, which could be makeup, skincare, or hair care. Every bundle is valued at over $100, and they do donate $1 for each bundle purchase to their charity. And then it's, like I said, bi-monthly. So this is the December-January box, and then, you know, it continues on from there. So we won't get it again until February, which is fine with me. Sometimes when you get too many products, you know, every single month, then you're just overwhelmed with products. So I'm happy about that. It comes well packaged, and here's a little sneak peek. And like I said, this box smells phenomenal. So here we have Deluxe Prime to be used after shampoo and before conditioner or mask. And this is a hair reconstructor, and this is all Truss Beauty, and this is Deluxe Primer. This is a travel size. And there's no prices. Usually I thought they gave us prices on this. Maybe not this one, they don't. But I can easily look these up. So this is nice to have. Oops, I'm going to fall right over. It's not going to stand up right. Let's get something else out of here. And this is from themselves. I'm just going to shake that. This is from the AIA. This is Tangled. This is a leave-in treatment. The all-in-one product. It's a must-have. Tangled is lightweight mist that conditions, enhances shine, and fights the frizz in just one mist. So that's nice. Okay, that's 2 products. Let's go for this bottle and see what this is. Night Spa. Okay, here's that. This is a pump. Let me see if I can find Night Spa. Innovative product that, along with Truss Infusion, will entirely revolutionize your concept of hair treatment. Truss Night Spa Serum is the home care version. A light serum formula recommended for weekly application to keep your hair healthy until the next salon visit. I don't go weekly, but I usually go every 6 months. Just was there, got a little trim. Keep it healthy. I'm all about that. So that's really nice. I don't smell anything with that one. There's something that I could smell. I think it's the shampoo and conditioner that's in here. And this is nice. I just was talking about this a little bit, a hair protector. This is a gel cream based daily leave-in that restores hair's natural structure, detangles, and offers thermal protection from blow dryer, flat irons, blah, 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 all that good stuff. So that's nice. And these are all big bottles, 250 ml. The AIA product is, could they write it any smaller? I think that's 120 ml. And this is a travel size, so I don't even know the size of this. This is 30 ml, this little travel size. And then it looks like we have a shampoo and a conditioner. Let me see if I can, I think this is what I'm smelling. That smells so nice. So this is their conditioner, and this is Infusion. It's vegan based for dry, dull, damaged hair. See, I wish they would just put like for normal hair, not like all that stuff, so that, but everybody could use this, especially in change of seasons. Even if you're in a warm climate and you're in a pool or just out in the sun, your hair's going to be dry. And this deeply hydrates and restores the strands, covering them with a protective layer for stronger, shinier hair and anti-aging of your hair. Okay. No added dyes. Color protectant. Okay. Recommended for daily use. That's nice. And that's 300 ml. That's a big bottle. And then this is the shampoo. So this box is going to hit the floor, so let's just move it out of the way. And this is the shampoo. Sometimes you can smell better on the shampoo. That smells, has a nice like feminine smell, clean. So this is the size of the shampoo. Basically the same information that was for the conditioner. So we have a shampoo and a conditioner, and I love all that. We have the hair protector, the night spa. I'm curious to try that. Why not? The leave-in detangler spray from AIA themselves, and then the Deluxe Prime from, you know, it's a sample size, which I'm perfectly happy with that too. So that is the AIA beauty bundle for this month, and I did say this was bi-monthly. Yes, bi-monthly. I'm happy with this box. I mean, I still have not used all of the Guy Tang products that I received, you know, several boxes ago, but I probably would have if I consistently used it, but I switch it up. Usually almost every shampoo, I just grab a different brand, and this way I'm rotating through a whole bunch of different product each time. In the wintertime, I only shampoo my hair every third day, sometimes fourth, depending on how much I've had to put in my hair, if I've had to put dry shampoo and all that, or any more product, a little bit of hairspray, then I want that out. In the summertime, I will do it every other night just because, you know, you get a little sweaty and all that stuff. You're out in the elements. But the wintertime, I can go every 3 or 4 nights. So, like, this size bottle will last me a long time. I have an entire shelf in my linen closet full of shampoo, conditioner, and products that as I get in the shower, I'm like, okay, I want to use this time. And I keep them in order so that I know I used this the last time. Grab the next one and then rotate back through this way. And I love changing it up. Sometimes when you're consistently using the same shampoo and conditioner, it starts to fit. Your hair gets used to it and it doesn't perform like it used to. So if you just change it up every once in a while, you don't have to be as severe as me. But I get so many hair products that I love to try them all. Even I get the little samples. I try them and I use them. And I have not come across a bad one in any of my boxes, and clearly not these brands. These are probably a little bit more high-end brands, but like I said, there are no prices on this one, and I thought we got prices the last time. I could be wrong. I honestly do not remember what I did yesterday, let alone what I got 2 months ago. But I can easily look these up, and I will do a box cost versus box value at the end of the video. I appreciate all you watching, and let me know what you think about getting an entire hair care box. I'm like on the fence about it, but we haven't gotten a hair care box in a while from them, so I don't mind. I just don't want to see this too often where you get a whole box of hair care items. I'd rather get the makeup or some skincare, a whole skincare box I would love. So like I said, tell me down below in the comments what you think about a whole hair care box. I hope everyone's doing well and staying safe and is happy. I wish everyone happy holidays, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.